Reshaping a table from long to wide format in Navure. The idea of reformatting a table from long format to wide format is to use one or more classification variables to segment a variable and put each of its segments as columns of a new table. The new table may require that complementary data from the original table be copied when the reformatting operation is done, and that is also done by this procedure. To show how this works, we will use a file called finishing cattle, which can be found in the test files repository. This file contains the weights of cows recorded every 2 weeks. The first column is the group the animal belongs to, the second column is an animal identifier, the third column is the week number when the animals were weighed, and finally the last column is the weight of the animals. We want to create a table with 4 columns, one for each week, containing the weights of the animals. We also want to include 2 other columns to copy the group and animal identifiers. Select the Data and Tables tab. Press the Reshape button. 2 options appear. Choose Long to Wide format. In the dialog box that appears, drag weight to the variables to relocate in wide format list. Then drag week to the criteria defining new columns in wide format list. Finally, drag group and animal to the case identifying variables list. Press the blue play button and wait for the procedure to be completed. The result is a new table named finishing cattle_wide. It has 60 rows and 6 columns. The first 2 columns are the group and animal identifiers, and the third through 5th columns are the weights in each week.